Hey, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Tonight, I just have a Falcon mortise here. Nothing crazy to write home about. Did pick up a new top of keyway turner from Lock. This is the 0.059 thousandths of an inch or 1.5 millimeter. It fits snugly in here because a lot of times I have found that some of the keyways, my 50,000th turner, isn't as snug as I would like it to be. Still got a lot of wobble, so I know they make this one, so I went ahead and picked it up. And I know Moki makes a 1.3. I might get that one too. I think that comes out to 51 thousandths. Yeah, 51 thousandths. Just a little bit bigger, so it might be useful. But all right, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3. You got to click. 4. Feels like it's binding. See if we can work under it. There we go. Little core movement. 5. Got to click on 5. 4 feels loose. All right, 1 loose, 2 loose, 3. 4, and it's under 5. A little click on 5, 4, 3. Got a little click. 2. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess I could. Try to work our way out. Click there. All right, 1. Got to click. 2. Little click. 3. There we go. Now here on the back, I do have some pointers. This tailpiece, I've picked challenge locks and not thought about it, where the tailpiece will catch on the part of the vise here, the jaws, and just make me think I'm in a deep false set or some kind of trench trap, and we don't actually have it open. So that's just something to be mindful about. We have a key. It's nothing crazy to write home about. Real high lift in 4. Slide that over. Drop that in there. Let's get that one. Making posts and talking about it. Here. Oh yeah. That's some dirt. This. Now, should need a shim on this. There we go. Yeah, definitely needs some cleaning up. Oh, well, that's neat. I'll show you all that here in a second. It's been milled on top. Did not expect that. All right, better. Okay. Let's zoom in here. So you can see that that's been milled or flattened here on top. Pretty cool. Right. It's probably going to be all standards. 1 is standard. 2, standard. 3, standard. 4. Oh wow, it's another standard. 5. Let's go to the back end here. Say it with me. Standard. Nothing in there. No. I mean, nothing crazy to write home about or call mom over. Yeah. So, Falcon. Fitting. We have that mill on top, which is pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Nobody told you. You matter. You're important. And I'm glad you're here. You all have a good night.